Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had non-farm payroll today, and because non-farm payroll actually came out right here, and because the euro is actually showing a lot of strength this morning, probably from some of that euro low-level news that we had today coming out of Italy, I think Spain, and a few other places, because the euro was already strong, and we had weak dollar news that caused the euro dollar to make an explosive move to the upside. Probably is the end of a crescent. I mean, I still wouldn't rule out the possibility of it being a wave B, but the weekly, monthly time frame has been in an uptrend this whole time. I still have those really high targets on this, so make sure you check out my full top down analysis if you want to see my higher time frame targets. I definitely would be looking for longs now that we got a break of structure. I would definitely not go long right this second. I mean, maybe as a scalp or something, but I would like to see more of a proper pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.